Xiaomi has announced that its upcoming foldable phone, the Mix Fold 3, will be announced on August 14th. The phone has been the subject of much speculation in recent months, with leaks and rumors revealing some of its key features. One of the most notable features of the Mix Fold 3 is its large, 8.1-inch foldable display. The display is said to be made from Samsung's latest ultra-thin glass, UTG, technology, which makes it more durable and scratch-resistant than previous generations of foldable displays. The phone is also expected to have a smaller, 6.73-inch cover display on the outside. The Mix Fold 3 is also expected to be powered by Qualcomm's latest Snapdragon 8 Plus Gen 1 processor, along with up to 12 GB of RAM and 512 GB of storage. It is also rumored to have a triple-lens rear camera system with a 50-megapixel main sensor, a 13-megapixel ultra-wide sensor, and a 5-megapixel macro sensor. The Mix Fold 3 is expected to be priced at around €1,800, which makes it more expensive than the original Mix Fold. However, it is still cheaper than some other foldable phones on the market, such as the Samsung Galaxy Fold 4 and the Huawei Mate XS2. Xiaomi will be hoping that the Mix Fold 3 can help it to compete with the big players in the foldable phone market. If the phone is priced right and offers good value for money, it could be a popular choice for consumers looking for a high-end foldable phone. Here are some additional details about the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 that have been revealed in leaks and rumors. The phone is expected to have a 4,600 mAh battery and support 67W fast charging. It is also rumored to have a side-mounted fingerprint sensor and a USB-C port. The Mix Fold 3 is expected to run Android 13 with MIUI 13 on top. We will have to wait until August 14th to see if the Xiaomi Mix Fold 3 lives up to the hype. However, based on the rumors and leaks so far, it looks like it could be a very impressive phone.